my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. I am super excited to share this backdrop with you guys because I haven't done a backdrop in quite a while. I am back into my room and I am excited to do more backdrops for you guys. I will be in and out of my room for different videos, but I love backdrops and I want to share it with you. So I had a few requests to make a graduation backdrops. I shared in this video, I believe 3 or 4 ideas what you can do for a graduation party as a backdrop. So hopefully you will enjoy it, and if you want to see what is happening, what's going on, what I use and how I did it, then stay tuned and let's get to it. All right, first things first, what I need to do, I got this garland. I think it says congrats grad. We'll see, I kind of forgot what I ordered on Amazon, and it came in this packet with a rope and tying strings. We'll see if we need to string every single letter on the string. So let's unpack this. Oh man, so we would have to string every single letter on the string that came with the balloons. So let's inflate these balloons and we'll move on. Let's do our next step. Let's go. I laid the congrats grad on the floor. Now I want to, or I need to string this on my string that I have here. It came in a packet. I don't know, why do I need these? We'll see why. Alright, so I did string my congrats word, and there was not enough string for my grad, so I'll just use a fishing line, or I will just pin my grad 4 letters on the fabric with pins with pearls on top. So let's hang this congrats. I want to take my safety pin, pin a safety pin to my fabric, and then I'll take the string and tie it to my safety pin. Guys, I'm going to show you quickly how I pinned the safety pin over here, right on top or in the back, and then I tied the string to my safety pin and it holds great, and it's not going anywhere. All right, congrats is on, and now let's go to our grad. I'm going to show you how I'm going to pin the grad balloons because you don't want to pop them with your needles. Here is my balloon that I'm planning to hang. You can see the ears with holes over here that are meant for the string. So I'm taking those little ears and piercing through with my needle with the pearl on top, just like that, and then grabbing my fabric, going piercing through the fabric, go back through the fabric one more time, just like here, and it's gonna be hanging 100% and it's not gonna go anywhere. If it's a little bit crooked, go get another pin with the pearl on top, and there you have a second ear on your letter, and pin it to the fabric as well, and it's gonna hang really, really nice. So I I am done hanging all of my balloons with my first idea for you guys, I want to use these palm tree leaves that I had, and I want to add them on my backdrop. These are really pliable, so I want to bend them just like that and then hang them from the top of my backdrop. Here's what you can do with just, how many do of them? 7 palm tree leaves, just to add a little something, and it's gonna look cute and it's not gonna take a lot of money. So let's go to a second idea. Here I have a different type of leaf, and instead of going from the top, I'm going to be going with these leaves from the bottom up. So I'm using my needles with pearls on top, and I'm pinning them to my fabric. You can use pins with flat hats if you don't want your pearls to show on your leaves, so that would be even better. I'm using these today, so let's go. Somewhere I found these tassels from tissue paper that I bought quite a while ago. So I pulled them out and I pinned them underneath my garage. Right here I have a whole bunch of construction paper circles. I'm going to be using them as my confettis. I want to prep them with my pins with pearls on top, and then I will go to my backdrop and place them on my fabric. That will save me lots of time. This is what I prepped. Now let's put them on our backdrop. What I have for you guys today. Incredibly easy and super fast backdrop to make. You don't have to be the craftiest person on this earth to execute it. You just need a puncher, the circle puncher, and balloons that I will link in the description below. And I like these tassels over here. I will link them as well. This backdrop will be great for anybody, or if it's a child or a grown adult. I think it would look really pretty for a photo booth, and it's gonna look really cute behind your food or dessert table. So this is what I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. These are my ideas for graduation party. One of many ideas that I have in my head. Hopefully you enjoyed them. Leave your favorite in the comment section below. I'll be there to chat with you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below as well. I'll be there to chat with you, and I'm so excited and looking forward to chatting with you guys. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more fun and creative videos. Alrighty guys, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you back in my next video. Bye-bye.